The 2018 Nissan Versa. With its roomy and inviting interior, impressive technology, and exceptional gas mileage, the Nissan Versa is smart to own and fun to drive. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, rear defrost, front wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 player, CD player, bucket seats, child safety locks, passenger airbag, trip computer, rear head airbag, auxiliary audio input, brake assist. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.